Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. We got a total of 7 areas. It's a pet treatment. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are treating 7 areas today. 7 areas of cleaning, and then also a set of a hallway. And then we're treating 7 areas of pet odor decontamination of our Pet Pro package. As you guys know, we charge $45 per bowl size. But since in this case, it was all over the place, so typically what I do is I give them a break and I give them a flat rate of $135 per area. So that's what we're doing today. And we got 7 areas of Pet Pro package treatment to emulsify the pet urine and odors. And then after that, we're gonna steam it out and sanitize it. So, all right, guys. You guys are having a great day. Look at that, guys. See that? Lit up stains there. And they're just all over the place. See that there? So, yep, right there. All right, guys. Again, as you guys remember, we recreate the accident. Let it dwell. Then we're gonna agitate it with our CRB. And then we're gonna extract it out, steam it out, sanitize it. We got one more after this, and that's gonna wrap our day up. Stay tuned. Check it out, guys. See that? Recreate that so we can emulsify and liquefy that pet urine, because right now it is a paste. We're gonna emulsify that and turn the urine salts back to liquid form. We can extract it out. Little one right there, see that? And they're just all over the place, guys. Homeowner was, you couldn't believe it. Look at that. Another one right there, another one right there, a couple over there, see that? So it's important, guys, make sure when you call us that we assess it to see if there's any pet urine. Because you cannot clean urine, you have to treat it. Then after you treat it and emulsify it, then you can clean the carpet. All right, guys, hope they added value to you. Stay tuned. This client found me on Google. He said he loved my reviews and loved that I was local. And I think watched a couple of my videos and on YouTube. And here I am. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching as always. And stay tuned for some results. I want to give you guys another valuable tip. The client did ask, he said, hey Ryan, once you get done, will you still see evidence with the light of any fluorescence? And the answer is yes, you still will see evidence of the fluorescence. The reason why is that the fibers are damaged and you cannot reverse that. However, the odor and the stains and the urine salts is dissolved and emulsified, but what's left over is the fluorescence, what you see lighting up. That's still gonna be there. It's kind of like dyed the fibers, but the odor will be removed. So hope that added value to you. And again, whenever you remove it, you won't be able to see it, it'll be gone. But you will see it under the pet light. So hope that added value to you and answered your guys' questions. Again, as always, thanks for watching. All right, Facebook, YouTube, giving you an update. We just got finished pre-spraying and applying the product to emulsify the pet urine. And now we're getting ready to agitate it with the CRB. And that's what we're doing now. We're letting this product dwell for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna actually emulsify those urine salts and turn that paste into a liquid form so we can safely and effectively move it. And once you remove it, then we'll steam it out, clean it, and then sanitize it with 230 degrees. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Remember, guys, again, just to recap, we're doing a total of 7 areas in a hallway of carpet cleaning. And you know we charge $60 per area for that. And then we're treating the carpet with the Pet Pro package. As you guys know, we charge $45 per bowl size area. But whenever it's like all over the place, we just give the client to help them out a flat rate. So we charge them for 3 areas. and we just charged $135 for each area, and they had a total of 7 areas. So that's what that's going to be. And again, it's always cheaper than replacement, and it really is the last resort to safely and effectively remove all the odors and stains without having to replace it. So, and that is the last other option, is you can always replace it. But even if you replace it, you still have to treat the subfloor, typically with Kills. And then you put a 5 mil plastic sheet down, and then your new pad, new carpet. But in this case, whenever you're selling it and you want to kind of save it, so to speak, that's when the pet decontamination comes into play, and that's what we're certified and professionally advised to do, because we identify those areas. Because again, remember, you cannot clean urine, you have to treat it. And as you guys know, because you watch my other videos, you guys are well informed of that, right? But yeah, guys, that's what we're doing today. Then after this, after we get done cleaning this and wrapping it up for him, we got another area, another tile and grout job we're doing in Troy, Illinois. And that's just a kitchen and a dining room combo with a little laundry room area. So that shouldn't be too bad. And that's going to be it for today, guys. So again, as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And reach out to us if you have any questions or if you need our service. Don't forget to reach out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell so you don't never miss a video. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, steaming it out now. 230 degrees. Sanitizing the fiber yarns. And they're responding well, guys. Look at that. See that steam coming off there. Beautiful. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, just got done, just wrapped up. Let's go see the final results. Let's see what the client, Mr. Sam, has to say. Can't wait to see. Wow, look at that, guys. I'm gonna step on it. It looks so good. Put a little freshener on the top. Steps. And I'm not going to go upstairs, but you guys can see the same thing. Same in there, look at that, guys. Beautiful. All the potty spots have been removed and emulsified and been sanitized. And all is well. Check it out. All right, guys, stay tuned for the testimony from the client. Yes, sir. All responded well. Can't wait to see what your thoughts are. You can walk on it. All right, don't look good. I got your fans going too. Leave those on to help expedite the drying process. It should dry within 4 to 9 hours. I did the topical, so it may take a little longer. But keep the thermostat about 70 to keep the air flowing, and that should be good to go. You can pay now, but I just wanted to see your reaction first. 1 through 10, what do you give it?
10.
Awesome.
Was, yeah.
Awesome. So, I always record my work, and I want people to see this firsthand. Since this is the first time you use me, and you follow me on Google, and you saw my reviews, and you saw all good reviews. So, what would you tell people watching now? What would you tell them if they were thinking about hiring my service? Awesome. 5 stars?
5 stars, man.
There we go.
Yeah, that's great.
Awesome, Sam. We appreciate that. All right, guys, you heard from him. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us. You guys have a great day.